What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Another gorgeous day, Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. We're here in the showroom in the shop. We just got a 1973 International Scout 2 in stock, ready to go. Want to do a quick walk around video, show you how amazing this body is, especially since it came out of New Mexico. Obviously known for a very dry climate, not a lot of rain, really great sheet metal, and that's what we see here. Amazing floor pans as well. So come with me while we do that. We got nice fender flares in black coming out the side there. BF Goodrich all-terrain tires in excellent condition with the wagon wheels. You got power steering, you got power brakes. I have this hardtop. For those that don't know, hardtop comes off. There's a series of bolts along the edge here, as well as on the top of the windshield. This whole hardtop comes off so you can get the sun right on you. As far as the quarter panels and paint, quarter panels look great. No bubbling on the bottom here anywhere. On the doors as well, rockers are super clean, as we would have expected from that New Mexico truck. You got an aftermarket bumper here. You got a 2-inch receiver hitch. You got some spaces right here for tow hooks, whatever else you might want to add there. Top comes back. When we bought this truck from the owner, he said that the hardtop was a brand new kit. So this is not an old hardtop. This is a new hardtop. It's super clean. It doesn't have any rust in it anywhere. Underside's super clean. All the frame braces, no dents, no sagging anywhere. Just super nice. That means all the gaskets are brand new. Love that. So, well, we got it here. Tailgate. Inside the tailgate's in amazing condition. You know, usually if some kind of rust is hiding, you'll see it in some of these spots here. As you can see, it's super clean, real strong. Love that. Same with the inside of the quarter panels, also amazing. Also look inside here, just beautiful sheet metal all the way around this truck. Same with the floor. This is the floor right here, not covering anything up. Just really solid, really clean. Do have a spare to get you home. So, love that. Continue our walk around here. Looks like you got brand new tail lights, no fading at all, just they basically look brand new. You do have a roof rack up here. You can add in, you know, if you want to put a paddleboard up here, surfboard, anything like that, you do have a nice rack for that. Glass is good, slides back here, so you can get a little airflow backwards to the passengers in the rear. Hopping on inside, interior's been redone. So you got brand new seat covers, kind of a 2-3 tone, matching in with the orange paint, a little orange striping there. Also looks clean, got matching rear seat. Door panels also the same way. Continued the pattern throughout, which looks really nice. Let's fire up this motor, see how she sounds. We got the 345 V8 motor, got power steering, power brakes. It's automatic transmission. Push button start. So fires right up like she should. That's what I like to hear. You can see we got our power steering right here. Real easy to turn the wheel. There is an original air conditioning unit in here. Not currently hooked up, but it is there. Nice sound from the motor. Love that. Let's check out what the motor looks like. See how she's running. Said 345 motor. Got a 2-barrel, brand new Holley carburetor. We already talked about power steering. Here's your power booster right here. Dual reservoir master cylinder, running like she should. Can't see on the side over there, there is an AC compressor there, and all the lines are there, not a belt on it, so for what it's worth, a lot of the system is all there. But she's idling real smooth, not flopping around anywhere. Got electric choke as well on the carburetor. Looks good. Do notice we got LED headlights up front. Let's flick those on real quick. All right, now that we've done the walk around video, see how she looks, let's go see how she drives on the road. All right, y'all, we got the truck cranked up. We're ready to go on a test drive. Come with us. Matt's sitting in the passenger seat. I'm just gonna imagine I'm talking to you right now. But like I said, we're in our 73 International Scout. Been completely gone through by the previous owner over there in New Mexico. Did a great job on the restoration. New Mexico truck, so you got that super clean metal. 345 motor. Let's go. One finger on the wheel. Drives good. Got a little bit of play in the steering wheel, but nothing I can't handle. Transmission was super smooth. Shifted through the gears there. We do have power brakes, power steering, make it easy. Just touching it with 2 fingers here. Real quiet on the road. Don't hear any shimmies or shakes. Tire noise, very minimal. Real quiet. But truck's doing exactly what it should. Drives great, obviously in 2-wheel drive right now. Does have 4-wheel drive, 4 low, 4 high. While we're driving here, if you need to know about financing that we have, it's 10% down, 660 and up credit score. Go out to 180 months for this truck. 10% down, about $4,400. You're gonna be looking at around $400, $425 a month. Pretty reasonable, get in a cool truck like this and start enjoying the sunshine, cruise the beach, the mountains, wherever you want to go. But I like this truck a lot. Feels good on the road, feels confident. I'm gonna do one quick hit the brakes real hard, work like they should. So, like that. I think it's great. One of the reasons we do the walk around videos just to show you, and the driving videos just to show you. Truck performs well, does what it's supposed to, so you can have confidence when it gets to your driveway. Be ready to hit the road yourself. So I hope you feel informed. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for your time. All right, let me click on the air conditioning. It actually is turned on and blowing pretty hard. So that's good to know if you're gonna try to rebuild this system, make it work, putting the belt on that compressor. Blower is working. That's a big deal. That was a great test drive. Love driving this truck. Drives super nice, power steering makes it real easy, motor runs perfect, cruising down the road, got a lot going for it. I know it would look great in your garage. This is Josh at Drive the Coast. We have nationwide shipping. Financing available. If I can earn your business on this car, let me know.